In a small village nestled between rolling hills and serene rivers, there lived a wise elder known for his profound teachings. He was sought after by villagers and travelers alike, drawn to the wisdom that emanated from his silence. One day, a young seeker approached the elder, eager to learn the secrets of a fulfilled life. The elder, without uttering a word, motioned for the seeker to follow him. They ventured deep into the heart of a lush forest, where the symphony of rustling leaves and chirping birds enveloped them. As they walked in silence, the seeker's mind buzzed with questions. Yet he dared not disturb the tranquility that surrounded them. The elder led him to a secluded clearing, where a crystal-clear pond mirrored the azure sky. Gently pointing to the pond, the elder conveyed, "Silence is like this pond, a reflection of the clarity within. Only in the absence of ripples can you see your true self." The seeker pondered these words as they sat by the pond, embracing the profound stillness. The elder continued without speaking, weaving a tale through the silent language of gestures and expressions. In the nearby village, there lived a woodcutter renowned for his craftsmanship. Despite his skill, he was known for his incessant chatter, filling the air with tales of his achievements and grievances. Intrigued by the benefits of silence, the elder decided to impart a lesson. The elder visited the woodcutter's humble abode and requested a simple wooden bowl. With a gleam in his eye, the woodcutter set to work, narrating his life's story with every stroke of the chisel. The elder observed silently, recognizing the chaos within the woodcutter's mind. Days passed, and the woodcutter presented the finished bowl to the elder. Yet it bore the marks of a distracted hand, uneven and marred. The elder, with a gentle smile, gestured to the bowl and conveyed, "Silence is the chisel that carves perfection into the sculpture of life. Only in quietude can true craftsmanship emerge." The woodcutter, humbled by the lesson, embarked on a journey of self-discovery. He embraced moments of silence, allowing his thoughts to settle like sediment in a pond. With newfound clarity, his craftsmanship transformed, creating works of art that echoed the profound stillness within. The seeker, witnessing this transformation, began to understand the depth of the elder's teachings. As they continued their journey, the elder led him to a monastery atop a mist-covered mountain. Here, monks moved gracefully through their daily tasks, their lips sealed in silence. In the monastery's library, ancient scrolls spoke of the profound benefits of silence. One scroll shared the tale of a restless mind seeking answers from a revered sage. The sage, in response, maintained silence, encouraging the seeker to delve within. The seeker, inspired by the story, approached the elder with newfound curiosity. The elder, sensing his eagerness, pointed to the monastery's silent monks. Within the cocoon of silence, he gestured, lies the transformative power of self-discovery. Learn to be silent, not just with your words, but with your mind. As the seeker practiced the art of silence, he discovered the richness of introspection. In the hush of his thoughts, he found answers to questions that words could not articulate. The elder, pleased with the seeker's progress, led him to a mountaintop at sunset. Gazing at the horizon bathed in hues of gold and purple, the elder conveyed, "In silence, you hear the whispers of your soul and witness the grandeur of existence. Life's beauty unfolds in the pauses between breaths, the spaces between words." As the seeker embraced the silence within, he realized that life's most profound lessons are often veiled in quiet moments. The elder, without uttering a word, imparted the wisdom that silence is not an absence but a presence, a gateway to inner peace, creativity, and a life well lived. With a heart brimming with gratitude, the seeker descended from the mountaintop, carrying the transformative power of silence into the tapestry of his own story. The village, once bustling with noise, now echoed with a different cadence, one of mindful contemplation and shared understanding. And so, the tale of the benefits of silence whispered through the village, inspiring each villager to embrace moments of quiet reflection. In the stillness, they found not only the answers they sought, but also the profound motivation to live authentically, carve perfection into their endeavors, and appreciate the symphony of existence that unfolded in the serenity of silence.